LG S60T Soundbar Review. Can 3.1 channels transform your living room? Picture this. You're watching a thrilling movie or your favorite show, and voices get lost under booming effects. Frustrating, right? It feels like your TV is playing tricks on you. Comment yes if you've struggled to hear dialogue over the chaos. The LG S60T 3.1 channel soundbar might be the game changer your living room has been craving. Music feels flat, explosions lack punch, and commentary is muffled. Imagine a world where every note, word, and rumble hits exactly as intended. Smooth, immersive audio without tweaking settings constantly. That's what happens when your entertainment syncs perfectly with a soundbar engineered for clarity, bass, and impact. The difference is immediate. You'll feel it in your chest and in every scene. The LG S60T 3.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer 2024 model is engineered to elevate your home entertainment. With 3.1 channels, it separates left, right, center, and subwoofer sounds, giving dialogue perfect clarity while delivering immersive surround effects. Dolby Audio brings multi-dimensional depth, letting action scenes roar and music feel alive. The AI Sound Pro intelligently optimizes audio for cinema, sports, or music, analyzing content in real time. It connects seamlessly via HDMI eARC, optical, or Bluetooth, and the WOW interface synchronizes perfectly with LG TVs for single remote control. The wireless subwoofer adds punch without clutter, and the crest design ensures a sleek, dust-resistant finish. Users rave. Dialogues are crystal clear, even in action-packed scenes, said one movie fan. Another shared, setting it up with my LG TV was instant magic. And here's a bonus tip. By using the LG Soundbar app, you can fine-tune treble, bass, and center channel levels for the ultimate personal experience. The S60T is compact yet immersive, proving that small packages can deliver cinematic power. Once installed, the LG S60T 3.1 soundbar transforms your living space into an audio powerhouse. Movie nights feel cinematic, music feels alive, and sports commentary hits with pinpoint clarity. Experts note its center channel clarity, calling it a standout in the 3.1 segment. Tech influencers highlight the AI Sound Pro, showing how it automatically balances dialogue and effects without fiddling with knobs. Analysts recognize its WOW orchestra integration, expanding soundstage with compatible LG TVs, providing a more immersive listening experience. Real users are ecstatic. One shared, "I don't need subtitles anymore. Voices are perfectly clear, even in loud scenes." Another gamer commented, "Explosions are intense, yet dialogue stays sharp." The wireless subwoofer adds depth without overpowering, while the sleek crest design complements any living room setup. Whether streaming via Bluetooth or connecting through HDMI eARC, every interaction feels intuitive. Curious which feature you'll love first: vocal clarity, booming bass, or AI-enhanced sound? Comment below and join the conversation. Thousands are already experiencing the shift from ordinary TV audio to immersive, room-filling sound. With customizable EQ settings, multi-mode audio, and seamless TV synergy, the LG S60T proves it's not just a soundbar. It's a home entertainment upgrade you feel in every scene. Upgrade your living room experience today. Thousands have already transformed their setup with the LG S60T 3.1 soundbar. Voices are clear, bass is deep, and action scenes explode with realism. Don't stay stuck with flat, lifeless audio. Click now to enjoy a smarter sound experience and unlock a bonus tip to optimize every channel for your room. Your movies, music, and sports deserve more than average sound. This is the upgrade that finally delivers.